in a world of tiny heroes and big adventures.
This morning, however, a new sound cut through the peace. A call for help that even a sleeping hero couldn't ignore.
A tiny hero knew instinctively when someone was in trouble, especially when it involved his animal friends.
Someone needs help.
Called, and Spidey Baby was always ready to answer. Time to go! Every hero has their tools, and Spidey Babies were always prepared for any challenge.
Web shooters, check!
With his gear in place, our hero was ready to take to the skies, or rather, the rooftops. Ready to swing! A hero's journey always begins with a simple, heartfelt promise: to help others.
Let's save some friends.
Incoming!
High above the ground, a little squirrel found itself in a spot of bother, and only Spidey Baby could reach it.
Hang on, little pal. Web go!
Almost there!
It's okay, little one.
Easy does it.
Go all, be free!
Another mission accomplished!
Ha! What's next?
Oh no! A little duck!
With gentle precision, he extended a helping hand, or rather, a helping web, to the tiny, struggling bird.
Almost gotcha.
Fear turned to curiosity as the gentle web offered a glimmer of rescue.
There you go, little friend.
With patience and care, the tangled mess was undone, freeing the little swimmer.
Freed and happy, the duckling rejoined its family, leaving Spidey Baby with a warm sense of accomplishment.
See you later, pal.
What's this? Can't quite catch you.
Aha! A hideout!
The chase ended not in peril, but in a revelation. Some friends just loved a good game of hide and seek.
Silly bunny, just playing.
Wanna play too?
And so, the hero turned playmate, creating a new way for his furry friend to have fun.
Yay!
Good job! High five!
A big roar?
This looks like a big problem.
A true hero faces every challenge, big or small, with courage and a careful approach.
Time to investigate. Hulk can't lift. GRR.
Sometimes, all it took was a friendly face and a reassuring word to turn a difficult situation around.
Teamwork makes it work.
Sometimes, brute strength needed a little brain power, and Spidey Baby had just the solution.
Look up there!
Combining his ingenuity with the environment, Spidey Baby created a clever solution to a massive problem.
Pulling power!
Activate!
Hulk pull!
You got this, Hulk!
Hulk strong with friends!
Oh no! A nest!
Reporting for duty!
3 heroes, 3 unique strengths, now working together, combining their powers for the greater good.
Plan of attack! Webs away! Hulk, hold steady! Cover me! Go, Spidey, go! Nest secured!
A shield became a stepping stone. A web became a safety net. The day's adventures had brought together an unlikely family. A chorus of happy sounds filling the air.
They're all safe, happy animals. Mission accomplished, team. Spidey Baby, Baby Hulk, and Baby Cat.
Helping makes me so happy.
And what better way to celebrate friendship and heroism than with a joyful, synchronized dance?
Yay, we did it!
Dance time! And as the sun set.
Until next time, friends!
Bye-bye! Stay safe!